Good morning my dear students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we will do amazing assignment 8 in our textbook. Those are the end of level 2 questions. First one is the difference between successor of greatest 5-digit number and smallest 4-digit number is. So we have to find out the difference of greatest 5-digit number. So we have to know the greatest 5-digit number first. The greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. Then successor of the greatest 5-digit number. So we have to write the successor. It means after number of 99,999. Otherwise we have to add plus 1. We get 1 lakh. Next, smallest 4-digit number. So the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. We have to find out the difference between these two numbers. Difference means we have to do the subtraction. Here I will do the subtraction. 1 lakh minus 1000. We get 99,000. We get 99,000. So here where is the option? Option is 2. Next question is find the sum and difference of the place values of the digits 1 and 7 in the given number. Okay, so we have to find here sum and difference. Sum and difference. Sum means we have to do the addition and difference means it is the keyword for subtraction. So find out the place values of digit 1 and 7. The place value of 7. Here in the number the place value of 7 is in hundreds place. It means the place value of 7 is 7 hundreds. Next, the place value of 1. 1 is in lakhs place. So the place value of 1 is 1 lakh. We have to find out the sum first. The place value of 1 is 1 lakh and the place value of 7 is 700. Do the addition. Sum means we have to do addition. We get the answer 1,700,000. 1,700,000. Next we have to do the difference. Difference means subtraction. We have to do the subtraction. 1 lakh minus the place value of 7 is 700. Do the subtraction. We get 99,300. So where is that option? See here, it is the option 3. So next I will go to the next question. Yeah, third question. There are 1,666 books in a library. The Roman numeral of number of books in library is. So the given one number. So we have to write in Roman numerals. It is in Indo-Arabic numeration. So we have to write in Roman system. So we have to split the number first according to the places. Highest place value onwards we have to start the expanded form. 1000 plus 600 plus 60 plus 6. Like this we have to split the number. Directly we know the symbol of 1000 in Roman system. It is a symbol of M. They are used to write M to the 1000. Next, we don't know symbol of 600 and 60 and 6. So we have to find out the symbol of 600. Split the number 500 plus 100. 500 plus 100. The symbol of 500 is D in Roman system and the symbol of 100 is C, but here the symbol is addition, so we have to write after of the number. 50 plus 10. The symbol of 50 is L and the symbol of 10 is X. Here the addition symbol is there. So we have to write after of the Roman symbol. Symbol is X. So 60 symbol is LX. Here we know very well the symbol of 6. Again, no problem, I am doing here 6. The symbol of 6. We have to split the number like 5 plus 1. 5 stands for V and plus symbol is there, so we have to write after. Then I1 symbol is I. V I. So where is that option? See here. 3 is the correct answer. Next, fourth question is write all the numbers between 18 lakhs 20,930 and 18 lakhs 20,936 in the following grid in order horizontally. So here they given two numbers. We have to write the in between numbers of the two numbers. The given number is 18 lakhs 20,930. The next number is 18 lakhs 20,931. After 18 lakhs 20,931, after the number is 932. Next, 18 lakhs 20,933. After that number 18 lakhs 20,934. After the number is 18 lakhs 20,935. Those are the in between numbers of the 18 lakhs 20,930 and 18 lakhs 20,936. Now we will go to the fifth question. Ravana is going to complete the Roman numeral chart from 81 to 100. So help him in writing and completing the grids. So we have to help to Ravan. Shall we? Yes, we have to help the Ravan to write the Roman value chart from 81 to 100. So here the symbol of 81 in Roman numerals L, X, 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 I. It stands for 81. So now we will continue the numbers. L, X, 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 I. It stands for 82. Next one is L, X, 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 I. It stands for 83. Next one. L, X, X, X. But we will think to write I 4 times. In Roman system, one rule is there. We cannot repeat I more than 3 times. That's why we don't repeat that symbol. So we have to write 1V. Next, IV. Next one is L. It stands for 84. Next one is L, X, 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 V. 85. L, X, 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 V, I. 86. L, X, 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 V, I. It stands for 87. Next, L, X, 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 V, triple I. It stands for 88. Next, 89. 89 stands for L, X, X and 1X. 1X stands for the 9. So we have to write 89. Next, the symbol of 90. We think to write 90 symbol is L, X, X, X and X. We have to think to write like this, but it is not a correct way. We cannot write like this. So we do, in Roman system there is one rule. We cannot repeat X more than 3 times. So we cannot write like that. So the symbol of 90 is XC. Next we will write the 91. XC 90 and XCI 91 and XC double I 92, 93, 94. Next 95, 96, 97. Next one is 98. Next 99. X, C, 1x. And the symbol of 100 is, in Roman system the symbol of 100 is C. So here we completed the place value chart up to 81 to 100. I hope everyone understand how to solve the problems. Thank you everyone.